it's for me. I mean, I have no obligation to anybody, but it's just for me. Anyway, you know, these are all memory things. And then I format disk. Anyway, I deleted an entire camera footage of today, whole thing. Okay, that can't happen. That can't happen again. That could not happen again. And when I get to that part of the vlog, because you know, that there, I probably won't be editing for a while. I'm making it really difficult for me. Oh, and I lost all I lost all of the... I'm gonna turn this off. Okay. What time is it?
It's 3:53 a.m.
Okay, I'm up. So, 4 o'clock in the morning, outfit of the day. I'm going to Patmos. I'm very excited about that. Yesterday was just such a great day. And I came home here, and I mentioned this earlier, but I really did. I deleted 2 cameras worth of footage, and one was the drone. Well, because I put one drone footage on Instagram, that one is saved. But the other one, I only ever saw the thumbnail. I'm pretty sure it was amazing. Yeah. It's gone. And that becomes a fragmented story because the other cameras talk about, yeah, it's missing stuff. I'll just skip that moment, I'll just skip that day, and I just won't tell that story. And most people would never know. I lost a day of footage because of me. If I don't snap out of it, I'll lose another day, and another day, and another day. So it's done, it's over. Yeah, yuck, 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 yuck. And you know, it's easy to say, well, you should be careful in the future. God, I am. I am. This is a complicated thing I'm doing. It really is. It is complicated. I'm gonna leave these people my kayak. They're right at the dock. I was gonna do it differently. It is so excited when the ferry pulls in because it brings life to the island. You know, there's trucks and there's food, there's product and there's stuff. You know, forget the people. It actually brings sustainable things. Look at this. That rough weather sometimes. In the end, I gave away the kayak, and it wasn't as planned. I wanted to make sure I knew the people or I could meet the people. No, but the idea that it was at the port, that's good. It's good. Yeah, I don't regret that. I made a decision. I'm a lot lighter right now. I've seen something change in the weather here, and it might be where I'm going. That the seas are really rough. That's why the ferry right now is having a problem porting. Yeah, but I'll tell you, it served its purpose. I do not regret that I now don't have it. And it's so much lighter just moving with a suitcase. You know, this was an accelerated trip. I knew that. I was just lucky to be able to go this year. But one day to get here, that is not a day. Note to self, Tony, that is not a day. One day to get here, that's a travel day. I had 2 days on this island. You know what? It's not enough. 3, 4. 2 is not enough. Yeah. Even on the other side of the island, I could not see everything in one day. So here's the deal. On this ferry, which is almost like a cruise line with cabins, they have restaurants and they have coffee. Thank you. You know, I actually found a seat. There are people just laying all out over here. It's the economy a ticket that doesn't give you really doesn't give you anything. And some of these people are on the ferry for 8 hours. I know. Patmos, I think, is only an hour and a half or 2 hours. The boat was $69 American. I was never going to keep it. I had this idea that by the time Patmos, I would know housekeeping. I would know some family, because that's what I do with my clothes. I have them laundered on the last day, and either through housekeeping, I find somebody to give them to. So I was going to do the same thing. I did that with my skateboard or whatever. Anyway, and that decision lives in, they had me park the bike into the back, and it was all dirt and mud. And I was not going to roll this suitcase with an extra 35 pounds. It just wasn't going to happen. No. Yeah. Good. Successful? Mission accomplished? I did it.
Let's go see sunrise.
To disembark through the rear staircases. We thank you for travelling with Blue Star Ferries, and we look forward to welcoming you again on board one of our vessels.